Hey guys, this is Rayanne with Shaka Designs. Just wanted to show you a quick tutorial about Wix ADI and switching away from the ADI editor to the formal Wix editor. Just really briefly, if you're not sure what the difference is between ADI and the Wix editor, ADI is pretty much an application that Wix developed to where it can build a website for you. You basically just plug in a few different questions that it asks you at the beginning, such as business name, what type of business you are, and a couple of other options as far as colors, style, and then it will create a website like this. And you can kind of go in here and edit some of these features. Editing in ADI is a little bit limited. So a lot of people want to move over to the formal Wix editor, and I'll show you how to do that. It's really, really easy. So if you are on an ADI site, I'll show you the difference here. If you're on an ADI editor, your top bar of your editor looks like this. And the screen looks like this. Very, very simple. When you hover over elements, you have an option to add things in, edit them, design them. And when you switch to the editor, you have a lot more options. So it's very, very simple. Here's how you do it. This top bar here, all you do is hover over Site and say Go to Editor. This allows you to use advanced design features. So if I click Go to Editor, it's going to have this pop up here. It's going to let me know everything that I can do. And it also gives me this warning. So if I want to come back to Wix ADI, any changes that I made in the Wix editor won't be transferred. So basically you've got to decide from this point forward, do I want to, stay in the Wix ADI editor, or do I want to go to the Wix editor? That's really going to be something that you're going to have to decide. You definitely have a lot more options and functionality, in my opinion, with the formal Wix editor. So here's how you do it. Again, click Site and then go to Editor. This window pops up and you say Go to Editor. Now it's going to convert my ADI site over to the Wix editor, and it'll take a few minutes to load up, and then I can show you the difference of what this looks like. We'll give it a second here. So this is what the Wix editor looks like when it's loading. Depending on connection, it can take a little bit of time since it's loading up all the options for you. Okay, so now I am in the editor. What's nice is it'll have this little pop-up. It'll kind of show you some things on how to use it if you want to go through that. But the top bar here looks a lot different than the ADI editor. So you have a ton more options. You've got this toolbar on the side. You have all of these options on the left. So that's pretty much what it looks like. I am also going to link the Wix article on how to move over to the editor if you have any further questions on that. And again, remember, if you do anything here, click Save, and want to go back to the ADI editor, none of that's going to be saved. So hopefully this helped you.